When I first decided to make this video, I thought I'd talk about my bio. Then I realized you can easily read it on the Center Stage website. So instead, I'm going to pass on something that'll be much more useful. As a mortgage loan originator, you actually have to make 2 different sales to close one loan. The first sale is with the real estate agent, and the second sale is with the mortgagor. However, if you can't get past the gatekeeper, the real estate agent, you'll never have the opportunity to get in front of the mortgagor. When I was a mortgage loan originator, I did the same things that you probably do today. I went from real estate office to real estate office bearing gifts, usually donuts. Salespeople would gorge themselves on my donuts. I knew most of them by name, and that still wasn't enough to get their business. Sure, I'd get a deal every now and then, but not enough for the amount of effort or donuts I was supplying. During one of my office visits, I happened to ask the sales manager, while he was eating a donut, who the top producer was in his office. After giving me his name, I asked if I could speak with him. He said the only time he comes into the office is at 6:30 in the morning to organize his day. You guessed it. The next morning, I was at the office at 6:30 to meet this guy. I was at the office at 6:30 every morning for more than a week, and finally, he gave me a deal. It was a deal that couldn't be done, and the salesperson knew it. I believe his intention was to get rid of me by giving me this deal. After getting back to my office, I called the mortgagor and carefully reviewed all of the information. I then decided to call the salesperson. This was an interesting conversation because he didn't think I was going to call him back. I took the time and explained step by step why the deal couldn't be done. I must have impressed him because he asked me to come to the office the next morning. That meeting went really well. He gave me another deal. This one was doable. I followed the same procedure and didn't wait for him to call me. I called him. I kept calling him throughout the process until underwriting approved the deal. I didn't get all of his business, but I got the lion's share. Here's something else that happened. When the other salespeople in the office found out I was processing the top producer's deals, they began calling me. I used the same strategy at other offices. I inquired who the top producer was and then visited them when they were in the office. Some came in early in the morning while others late in the evening. I got more business from the top producer in an office than all the other salespeople combined. The nugget I want to give you: be proactive. Never wait to be called. If you get into the habit of consistently calling, you'll get more business than you can imagine, and you'll be working with fewer salespeople. Productive salespeople don't want donuts. They want to be consistently updated. And if there's bad news, they want it immediately. If you want to make more sales in today's competitive marketplace, in addition to being proactive, you have to have good communication, people, and selling skills. That's what my Subliminal Selling Secrets workshop is about. It's filled with neuro-linguistic programming, along with embedded commands, subliminal messaging, and how to use these tools to make more sales. Using these tools is a very sophisticated way to help your customers get what they really want. And your sales will come together naturally without using any hard closing techniques. And most importantly, everyone enjoys the process. If you really want to enhance your communication, people, and selling skills, the magic begins at the Subliminal Selling Secrets workshop. Find out for yourself how persuasive you really can become. I'm looking forward to meeting you at the Center Stage event. Ulrich LeinhaseSpeaker wishing you maximum selling success.